What's the best exercise to lose belly fat? Man, I'm doing everything to lose this stubborn belly fat. My training's on point, I'm hitting my abs, even my diet is good.
Also, how could you eat an entire box of Pop-Tarts and still be this hungry?
What is the best exercise to actually lose belly fat? Okay, I'll show you how to lose your belly fat with your workouts. However, this is just going to be the training aspect because I get asked about it so much. If you'd like to know the diet portion of this, just leave a comment down below and I'll make a second part explaining just the diet. Let's get into the training. So in order for us to actually lose that stubborn belly fat and get those abs to show, there's something that's super important that you need to know. You can't target belly fat. I don't know how many times I've said it. I wish you could, because then I could give you some exercise, but you can't do it. Okay, so no sit-ups. Your sit-ups, they're not targeting belly fat. Planks, they're not targeting belly fat. No abdominal exercise that you guys are doing is targeting belly fat. The only thing that those exercises are actually doing is actually just building up strength and muscle mass, a little bit of muscle mass, in the abdominals. So stop doing so many ab exercises thinking that it's gonna help you to lose stubborn belly fat. What we need to do is high fat burning activities that will help to burn fat overall, because that's the only way you can do it. And eventually when that body fat percentage gets low enough, you will lose the belly fat and those abs will be revealed. So those 5 ab workouts you're doing per week for 15 minutes, cut out at least 4 of them. Keep one of them in there, strengthen your core. But what we need to do now is increase the amount of workouts that are actually gonna lose fat and train in a proper way, because most people are doing it incredibly wrong. So when it comes down to people's workouts, the reason they're not actually even losing a lot of fat is because most of the time their workouts are focused on isolation exercises. 80%, the volume of their entire workout, 80% of it is like isolation exercises. And only 20% are the compound exercises, or the exercises that are actually gonna be responsible for burning a lot more calories. So what we need to do is switch that 20% of compound exercises into 80% of the compound exercises, and those 80% of the isolation exercises into 20% of the isolation exercises. So let me give you an example of an isolation. Now, an isolation exercise could be something like a cable chest fly. The reason it's called an isolation exercise is because you are isolating one single muscle group, which is going to be your chest. This is going to be a single joint movement. Instead, to focus on burning more calories, we can use a compound exercise that is going to be a multi-joint movement, such as a dumbbell bench press, that will incorporate your chest, your shoulders, your triceps, and as well a bunch of stabilization muscle groups. When we start focusing on more exercises like that, we're gonna burn a lot more calories than just the damn cable chest flies. Example number 2, you're doing leg day. Firstly, good work. Good work for doing leg day. Leg extensions. Single joint isolation exercise on just the quads, versus the mother of all exercises, the squat, a multi-joint compound movement that is going to burn significantly more calories. The reason it's so much more gruesome is because it's demanding such a greater caloric burn from your body. Or let's remove the weights entirely and let's just say you're doing some like plyometric type of box jump. Now the next way you're gonna be able to burn more calories with your workouts is gonna be your damn intensity. Listen, the way that most people train their workouts versus my workouts, I'm gonna be able to burn twice the amount of calories in the exact same time frame as those other people, and probably be able to burn more calories than them in even less time because of my intensity. Now, my intensity comes down to a couple of things. Number 1, yes, my intensity during every set. I'm pushing a lot harder than them. I'm reaching a lot further than them on every single set. They're gonna stop a lot sooner than me because, well, they're soft. But additionally, the intensity when it comes down to my discipline of rests in between each set, I'm gonna be training a lot more frequently. And let's say like a 1-hour workout, I'm gonna be spending probably double the amount of time on a machine, pushing my body, lifting a weight than the other person, because they're dicking around on their phone. They're texting their girlfriend, they're texting the boys. Screw that, burn more calories, increase your intensity. Thirdly, we've got HIIT workouts, high intensity interval training. Now, yes, you are gonna be able to burn more calories per minute, because yes, these are circuits of highly fat burning activities. They're gonna just require a lot more energy, such as burpees, thigh slap jumps, jump squats, but you're able to do a lot of them because you typically do them in a circuit, 2 to 3 to 4 of these exercises. But the main benefit for you guys is a lot of you guys are gonna go, I don't have the time to go to the gym. I don't wanna waste 30 minutes driving there, 30 minutes back. Okay, screw it. Go onto my YouTube channel, find some of my HIIT workouts. You're able to get that workout done at home in 20 minutes. You're gonna burn more calories than you would have burned from 1 hour at the gym, especially with the intensity that you're likely bringing to the gym for every workout. Now, one supplement that I love to utilize when I'm cutting is OxyShred Hardcore. Primarily because it's the hardcore. This is loaded with caffeine. You see how much energy I have? It's because I took a scoop before filming this. But if I have to go do a workout I don't feel like doing, or I want to intensify my workouts, At the gym, 1 scoop of this gets me lit. I'm probably gonna be burning about 1.5 to 2 times the amount of calories just because my intensity, my energy levels are so high. In addition, you will get that thermogenic fat burning effect because this is the world's #1 thermogenic fat burner. If you wanna get your hands on OxyShred Hardcore or just the regular version, it's a little bit toned down with the caffeine. There's a link in my description. Use code Barbarian and save yourself some moolah. Now, if you're interested in a super effective fat burning workout, check this video out right here. Push yourself. Let's lose that belly fat.